Yeah, so what's up, man? Good morning. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666, man. Everybody know who is talking here behind the scene. This is your boy one more time. Good morning. So, as I told a lot of you in my WhatsApp group, okay, that the only thing I do and I teach people is that I teach beginners in Forex, you understand? I know their problem and I talk about the problem a lot of times, man. So, like I said, I will give you one video that has to talk about your exit so that you can be among the people that will always have one of the best exits when it comes to placing a trade. You know, with all my experience in this Forex thing, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I've come to realize is that after fixing your entry, many of you want to go get the best perfect entry, You talk about your stop loss. And many of you were taught how to use a very tight stop loss. Yep. But what you were never taught is how to use the best exit. What is the best exit? And what is the secret of the best exit, man? I've never seen where somebody is talking about it. I've never seen a video where it's been talked about. And I've seen a lot of people, mostly beginners, making mistakes. One mistakes on the other, blowing money, blowing account. You know why? Because many of you don't know exactly where to exit. The reason why you don't know where you need to exit is because most of us, I say most of us, because when I got started new too, I used to be that way, man. So that's why I said most of us. To me, those days, it used to be a case of greed. Greed. Okay? A good market analysis, a good entry, but then there is no exit plan. So, which makes some of you will experience a situation whereby the entry you put has given you profit to a particular level. Unfortunately, your mind is telling you to take it, to close it. But you will never close it. Instead, you are adding more position into position. Unfortunately, for you, you came back later in a few hours and you see that, man, all your profit is gone and your account is red. My question is, does it mean you don't know how to trade Forex, or does it mean you don't know how to place a profitable trade? The answer is no. The answer is you don't just know where to exit. Okay? You don't know where to exit. And now I'm going to tell you where to exit. Okay? Now, this Forex thing depends on how better and how best you know it. What is your knowledge? How long have you been doing it? What are the tools, indicators you have ever used or you have seen before? I've seen many people, they use one indicator, they throw it away, they said it's not good. They use another one, they throw it away, they say it's not good, but later they will go back to it. And I've seen some people using 10 indicators on one computer screen. You understand? All these things, they are called ignorance. Ignorance. You see, you want to build a Forex system that will work exactly the way you want it. It's like building a car. You want to build a car, you don't learn how to build the engine alone. You don't learn how to build the door alone. You don't learn how to build the bonnet alone. You learn everything, and that's going to bring you a very good car that you want to build. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, nigga boy want to buy some juice, man, so you gotta wait till we continue this video. Give me a few minutes, man. Nigga boy want to buy juice, you know. So don't worry, let me pay for my juice. Oh, hayo gozaimasu. Hi. Ato Winston no achimili desu ne. Achimili desu ne. Short. Yosh. Hey, arigatou gozaimasu. Alright, man, my good friend, man, let's continue this video the way it's going, nigga. You know. So, I said, it's ignorance. Okay? When you are ignorant, nothing good is gonna come out of it, because ignorance will make you to make the same mistake over and over again. Okay? And when it makes you feel like then you are fixing the problem, but still the problem is not getting fixed because you are not learning, then the ignorance becomes stupidity, and that becomes failure. You know. So what I'm trying to say is, in a short word is, have you noticed that in the market there is a certain place where the price is going to turn around, like it's going to make a small U-turn or a big U-turn? It depends on the previous move, you know. And these are the things that must always happen in the forex market, you know. And these are the things that has always happened. They have record of ever happening, and they must continue to happen. You got it? Now, if I'm going to give you an example, I will tell you about if you've ever seen something or had something called support resistance zone. You see this zone we're talking about. Place any trade to any direction and let price go hit the zone. It's going to bounce back a little bit or bounce back a big way. Depends on the previous moves. Now, why not use this support resistance zone as exit? Have you ever seen a place that looks like a Fibonacci zone? Or have you ever heard of Fibonacci zone? And you know that there are certain levels that when the price got around it in the Fibonacci, it's going to bounce back. Now, my question is, why not use this type of zone as your exit? Okay. So, right now, I think a little word is enough for the people who understand exactly what I'm saying, man, you know. So I think it's time to end this video, you know. Later we're going to continue making this video, you know, at the point where we have nobody to disturb us. You know, I will talk to you more about the support resistance, and I will talk to you about the Fibonacci. You understand what I'm talking about? So, just wish all of you the best trading your forex. Wish you the best and best of luck trading your forex. You know, if you don't have a support resistance on your chart, you know, maybe under this video, you guys need to continue to check it out. You know, under this video, I'm gonna put a support resistance link under this video so you guys can download it and use it to your own advantage. So, thank you so much, guys. Bye. This is your boy signing out, Forex Strategy Factory, AK Forex Wizard 666, man. Bye.